Are you planning a trip to Cyprus and wondering which cities to visit? Well, you're in luck because we've got you covered. We'll be sharing the top 5 cities to visit in Cyprus. These cities have been ranked based on the number of visitors and traveler satisfaction. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Paphos. Known for its beautiful beaches, ancient ruins, and stunning landscapes, Paphos is a must-visit city in Cyprus. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach or immerse yourself in history, Paphos has something for everyone. Visit the tombs of the kings, explore the Paphos Archaeological Park, or take a stroll through the picturesque port. Paphos is also home to some of the best restaurants in Cyprus, offering a wide range of cuisines to satisfy your taste buds. Number 4. Limassol. As the second-largest city in Cyprus, Limassol is a vibrant and bustling city that's perfect for those looking for a mix of modern and traditional. The city is known for its beautiful beaches, lively nightlife, and rich history. Explore the Limassol Castle, stroll through the Old Town, or take a dip in the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean. Limassol is also home to a wide range of bars, clubs, and restaurants, making it the perfect destination for those looking to party the night away. Number 3. Larnaca. Located on the southern coast of Cyprus, Larnaca is a charming city that's perfect for those looking for a laid-back and relaxing vacation. The city is known for its palm-lined promenade, stunning beaches, and picturesque marina. Take a walk along the Finikouds beach, visit the Hala Sultan Tekke Mosque, or take a boat trip to the stunning Cape Greco. Larnaca is also home to a wide range of restaurants and cafes, offering delicious local and international cuisine. Number 2. Nicosia. As the capital city of Cyprus, Nicosia is a bustling and vibrant city that's perfect for those looking to immerse themselves in culture and history. The city is known for its stunning architecture, beautiful museums, and lively markets. Visit the Cyprus Museum, explore the Venetian walls, or take a walk through the charming Old Town. Nicosia is also home to a wide range of restaurants, cafes, and bars, offering something for everyone. Number 1. Ayia Napa. Known for its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant nightlife, Ayia Napa is a must-visit city in Cyprus. The city is home to some of the best beaches in Cyprus, including Nissi Beach, Makronissos Beach, and Ayia Thekla Beach. Take a stroll through the Ayia Napa Sculpture Park, visit the Thalassa Museum, or party the night away at one of the city's many clubs and bars. Ayia Napa is the perfect destination for those looking for a fun and exciting vacation. Cyprus is a beautiful country with so much to explore and discover. Whether you're looking for history, culture, or just a relaxing vacation, these 5 cities have something for everyone. And if you've already visited any of these cities, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel-related content.